Welcome back everybody to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel, and today we're down at Point Marina. And we've got our Grady White coming in on approach, and our crew coming in a little hot by my opinion. I mean, I'm assuming he's going to have to brake check this one up a little bit. They make the turn in, we get somebody heading to the bow, but they're still moving at a pretty good pace. And we kind of slow it down to go into neutral. Gotta see a brake check there, right? No, he's just going to neutral it up. So he's trying to get the bow. And now they got to be in reverse now, because the stern's just kicking out. And our guy jumps off. So we've got one guy on the dock on the right. They're going for lines, but they got to watch out for the dock behind them now and the bow pulpit. I mean, they're completely sideways in the slip, but watch out, bro. You're going to hit the engines on the back end. And our guy who we had on the dock actually got off the dock. He jumped back into the bow of the boat. So now we don't have anybody on either dock. So we're going to get the kickoff here. And our guy's going to step off on the stern dock as we push it back into the bow. And we're going to have to push off again. And now we've got one guy on each dock. I mean, I guess that's one way to cover all your points of basis. So they're going to try walking the bow pulpit around. And they might be able to get it from here. If Cap just gives one bump of forward gear, turn the stern in, it might slide right on up for him. And we should be good to go. But that was interesting. So this one's interesting right here. I can't tell for sure, but it looks like they're trying to take the boat off the trailer, but they just loaded it. They got stuck on the ramp, and they're going to try and take the boat off, I guess, to help get the truck out. But then you're just going to have to do this all over again. I mean, I guess you can try it maybe at a different ramp. Maybe it won't be as slick for you. But, I mean, the power out might be the better call on this one. And just get the motor started on the boat and see if it can give you an assist. And here we go. They've got it disconnected again. And they're going to pull it off and see if they can get the truck out without the extra weight of the boat on. And, man, he's still spinning. He is stuck in a bad way, because he's not getting much grip at all. They're not gaining any real traction on this one. So our guy's going to tie the boat up, but he probably needs to go get in the bed of this truck as well and try and give them as much help as they can get. They're going to need as much weight. But that's one of the things. The boat may have actually helped. If they could have just gotten it further forward on the trailer, got a little weight on the tongue, it probably gave a little more assistance than sitting on the dock. And man, he is just not moving at all. So we're going to try to push from the dock. But as much as he's not moving, I don't think that's going to help whatsoever. He's got to be careful. They're in a sticky spot right here. They are on the edge of this truck sliding backwards. So we've got some extra possible help coming over. But this one, I mean, he's stuck good. Because right here, usually when we see this happen, these guys will get a little bit of forward momentum, and they can kind of get up the hill a little bit and kind of start to work it. But, I mean, my man's not moving an inch. So we're going to get a little extra weight, add somebody else to the bed of the truck. And on first attempt, that's not doing anything either. Throw another body up there. And we got about an inch worth of movement there, so we were going in the right direction for a second. But man, he is just spinning them. These ones are tense, because when he's not moving at all like that, I'm just waiting for this truck to go for a swim. So, everybody step back out of the bed of the truck. I guess we're going to try and reassess the situation. Like I said, the key might be the boat here. They may have to power this one out or get towed out, one of the two. He's still trying. We're still spinning. But man, at this one, I probably wouldn't even try anymore until you come up with some sort of plan. Please don't go swimming today. Well, we're going to throw more bodies at it. So now we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-grown men in the back of the truck. We're going to go ahead and add a 6th. This is probably as many as I've ever seen in the back of a truck trying to do this. I don't think I've ever seen 6 people doing it. I mean, they are rocking the whole truck, and it's going nowhere. My man is stuck. He's going to have to get towed out. There's no way. I mean, he's not budging an inch with 6 dudes in the back of this truck. Oh, he got another inch. I hate to laugh, but this one is kind of just amusing to watch, to see this many guys going at it in here. But this is the point where, as the driver of this truck, you kind of gotta, I don't want to say accept defeat, but you're gonna need towed out. And there we go. Somebody's handing some kind of ratchet or chain, and it looks like we're gonna do the attempt on being towed out instead of trying to continue this battle. And he's getting a little ground right there. But it looks like our guy here's gonna try and give him the tow. This is an interesting point to tow with. I probably would have hooked this to the end of the trailer, end of the truck, just to give the room to get out. Because when he pulls his guy up now, he's going to pull him into that trailer, if I'm not wrong, but we'll see. He's not going to leave a whole lot of room for him to really try and get this thing out. But here he goes. And he's moving, but he's being pulled into the trailer, and he's going to get beside it, and they'll be all good. And our guy, that one was a little nerve-wracking. We see this all the time at Black Point, but he was probably stuck worse than most people that I see stuck. He was probably a lot closer to going in the water than you would think. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things around Haulover and Boca Inlet. We have my channel, Broncos Guru, who do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.